Hello class, a very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the revision lecture of English for the students of class 7th. My dear students, in this revision lecture, we are going to see the MCQs of all the three chapters, that is unit number 1, 2 and 3, which are going to appear for your unit test. So let's start with the MCQs of unit number 1. Select the most appropriate options from the options given as the answers to the questions below. The first one is chocolates are made from. The options are cocoa, cacao, coffee plants and milk powder. So the answer is option B. Cacao trees are grown in the forest of. The answer to this question is South America. Cacao trees are at the risk of being dash. So here the answer will be extinct. The fourth one is many of the plants and animals under severe threat of extinction. It means we are losing biodiversity. Biodiversity means the variety of life around us. Besides, interdepending on one another, plants and animals are make up their own ecosystem. When the scientists talk about the biodiversity, they refer to the interdependence of the plants and animals and insects and human life. Let's see the MCQs of chapter number 2. The instruction in the side mirrors given is the objects in the mirror are dash than they appear. So the options are bigger, smaller, closer and farther. So the correct option is closer. The second one is dash makes things look bigger than they are. A magnifying lens, the zoom on a camera, lens in the microscope or all of the above. So our answer to this is all of the above. When we use any of the above mentioned things, the things may look bigger than actually they are. The mirror in the car shows the vehicle coming from. The options are upward, backward, forward and downward. So when we look into the mirror of any vehicles, it will always show the vehicles which are coming from backward. When we see things only, we can see things only when there is dash. So the answer to this is light. Dash have their own light. Fireflies, butterflies and stars, and both A and C. The correct answer is fireflies and stars. So the option D is the correct answer, both A and C. When we see things, we can see things because they dash light. So they reflect light. Tiny particles of which light is made are called dash. The tiny particles are known as photons. We see things when photons of light hit the things and bounce back. When do all the photons of the light bounce back? So the answer to this is when they hit a hard surface and a smooth surface. Fewer of the photons bounce back at the different angles when they hit some soft or rough surface. My dear students, now let's see the MCQs of unit number 3, that is sports. Taekwondo is a dash art. So the answer to this is Taekwondo is a Korean art. In Taekwondo, one of the following trick is used. So the options are kicking with legs, striking with knees, throwing the opponent on the ground or striking with elbows. The correct answer is kicking with legs. Taekwondo is also called dash, an ancient art, an unarmed combat, an armed combat or a pseudo art. So the answer to this is an unarmed combat. Karate is a dash form of martial art. So the karate is the hard form of martial art. Karate in its origin is close to judo. In karate, strikes on the opponent's body are made with dash. So in karate, we strike with the elbow and knee. So the answer to this will be both A and B. Judo is a dash form of martial art. So judo is a gentle form of martial art. The prominent feature of judo is dash, kicking, competitive element, striking technique, or an armed combat? So the answer to this is competitive element. The objective of judo is to throw the opponent to the ground and dash him or her. So immobilize, subdue, kill, or both A and B. So the answer to this is immobilize or subdue. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. I'm sharing a PDF file in which all these MCQs are given. You can go through the same as a part of your revision and do study well for your unit test. Thank you and have a nice day.